Hey, good afternoon. I'm here at Shingletown Gap, which is a beautiful trail area, I guess you'd say, in central Pennsylvania. And I thought we'd go on a little bit of a hike together. Meanwhile, maybe I'll talk about some updates, things that I think that are kind of cool that have popped up on my radar.
The bow, the dip, the woo. Though the words are true.
First up, Sylvan Esso, a band you might be surprised to hear I enjoy, is working with NPR. They're normally a duo, Amelia Meath and Nick Sanborn, and Nick kind of makes some pretty groovy beats on his computer, recording lots of neat sounds, and Amelia has gorgeous, gorgeous vocals, amazing lyrics. Well, apparently NPR was wondering, what would happen if you took a full band and had them play all of the crazy, awesome rhythms, and give Amelia Meath a few singers to hang out with. I'm absolutely loving it. They're releasing a new video every day this week, and they are an absolute treat.
Cinnamon to sing with the paired feet change. I know my words will dry up on the skin. Just like a name I remember hearing. Wild winters, warm coffee, mom's gone, do you love me?
I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the casting of Jodie Whittaker as the 13th Doctor in Doctor Who. I'm pretty excited. I've been saying for a long time, there's no reason the Doctor can't be a lady, and it's finally happening. Frankly, I was getting a little bored of the male doctor, attractive young female companion. Not that they weren't all great in their own way, but it's time for something fresh. And I'm really excited for Chris Chibnall to be taking over as showrunner. Stephen Moffat has done some really good stuff, but I'm really excited for something fresh. And Chris did a pretty great job with Torchwood when he was in charge of that, and I'm definitely going to check out Broadchurch, which apparently Jodie is in, as well as David Tennant. Real doctor part. So another bit of news that I thought was kind of interesting was Microsoft saying that they are officially deprecating MS Paint. I'm a little sad about that. Not really. I mean, it hasn't been updated since Windows 7 anyway, and honestly, they didn't really add any features. They just kind of rearranged stuff into the ribbon paradigm, but Paint 3D is not the same. I should do a video on Paint 3D. And Microsoft says they will continue to make it available on the Windows App Store, which is good. I mean, honestly, I don't think any of us were anticipating further updates, but still, farewell, Microsoft Paint.
This is Jewelweed. I love this stuff. One of my favorite native plants in Pennsylvania. And there's a lot of it here. It has a lot of great uses, like protecting you from poison ivy. Or even if the oils of poison ivy touch your skin, if you ball this stuff up, rub it on, it should prevent the oils from making you itch.
You know, this channel is all about geeking out over cool stuff, whether it's traditionally geeky, video games, comic books, whatever, or geeking out over culture, nature, lifestyles, sewing, kombucha, whatever. Let's geek out.